Let's look at the ransomware protection built into Windows 11. So if I click on the Start button and go to Settings, I'll go to Privacy and Security and click on Windows Security. Next, I'll click on the Virus and Threat Protection. And at the bottom, I'll see the Ransomware Protection option. So I'll click on Manage Ransomware Protection. And we can see by default, it's not turned on in this version. Now, there may be an upcoming version where it's automatically turned on, but in this one, it is not. So I'm going to choose on, and then, of course, click Yes. And what this does is it helps keep any viruses from encrypting your data and causing it to be held up for ransomware. So this is really a great way to protect yourself, but you need to turn it on and click on Protected Folders. And you need to say which folders you're going to protect from ransomware. So by default, as soon as you turn it on, you can see it's going to protect documents, it's going to protect pictures, videos. So you may not have to add anything if that's the only place where you keep all of your documents. But I'm going to click on Add a Protected Folder, and I'll just randomly choose a folder in my C drive, and I'll just choose everything in the users folder. And now I've added that, and you can see it's right here. If I click on it, I can choose remove if I'd like. So the question may be is, why don't you want to protect everything? Well, it's possible that it may slow down your computer. It's possible that it may cause problems with certain applications. So it may not be a good idea to do that. Also, if you use a third-party anti-malware solution or a product that encrypts files that's not a Microsoft product, then that may conflict with this. So you may not want to protect all your folders because of that. But you can certainly add the entire C drive, but it may not function as you would like it if you do that. So that is how you enable the anti-crypto ransomware protection in Microsoft Windows 11.